In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money using Coinbase. Quick and easy. First, open your Coinbase app. If you haven't launched it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the layout matches what you see here and everything runs smoothly. Give the app a moment to load your portfolio and home screen. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual credentials and complete any security prompts like two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. If you're new to the app on this device, make sure you're connected to a secure network and avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi. Once you're in, look toward the upper left of the screen for the main menu. Depending on your version, this might appear as 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon. Tap it to open your account options. From the menu, find and select Invite Your Friends. This is where Coinbase keeps its referral program. If you don't see it right away, check under Rewards, Earn, or a similar section, since the label can change slightly with updates and by region. You'll now see your unique referral link. This link is how Coinbase knows that a new signup came from you. Go ahead and copy it. If the app offers multiple options, you can choose Copy to Clipboard or use the Share button to jump straight into your favorite messaging app. Share your link through Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, or email, whatever your friends use most. A quick tip: include a short explanation so people know what to expect. For example, mention that they need to sign up using your link and complete the qualifying purchase to unlock the bonus. Be respectful and share only with people who are genuinely interested in crypto, and never post your link in places that prohibit referrals. Here's how the reward works. When your friend signs up with your link and buys $100 or more in crypto, both of you earn a $10 Bitcoin bonus. In some locations, the amount, currency, or purchase threshold may vary, and there's often a time window for that first purchase, so check the terms shown in your app. The bonus usually appears after the purchase settles, not instantly. To see your reward, head to the Rewards or Earn tab in the app. You should see the referral bonus added there, along with any status updates if it's still pending. If it hasn't appeared yet, give it a little time and confirm that your friend used your link and met the requirements. Remember, referral rewards can change and may be subject to local regulations and taxes, so always review the latest details in Coinbase before sharing your link.